Okay, so going right into it doesn't take. We have an article from CNN. We have Democrats pose to pick Hakeem Jeffries as Nancy Pelosi's successor. Well, let's see what CNN has to say. House Democrats appeared likely to choose New York Rep. Hakeem Jeffries to succeed Speaker Nancy Pelosi, a potential historic move to elect the first black person to lead a party in Congress. Of course, everybody's making this about race. Why? Why is it about race? Does it matter? Just like how we had Obama being the first black president. Why? Are you going to describe them just as being the first black president? Just like how in Massachusetts, they just elected the quote, first lesbian governor. But I just don't understand why that even matters at all. It should not matter at all. So, after Pelosi announced Thursday that she'd relinquish her leadership role she held for 20 years, the Speaker woman wouldn't say she'd support to replace her in November 30th vote, but in a sign of Jeffries' emerging power, House Majority Leader Stony Hoyer and House Majority Whip Jim Clyburn quickly endorsed him after announcing they would step down for their leadership posts. Speaker Pelosi has left an incredible mark on Congress. Yeah, totally. And I look forward to her continued service in doing whatever I can assist our next generation of Democratic leaders, which I hope to be Hakeem Jeffries, Catherine Clark, and Peter Agarla, said Clyburn in a statement, referring to New York, Massachusetts, and California Democrats. Hoyer said Jeffries will make history for the institution of the House in our country. At 52, Jeffries would represent a general change from the current House Democrat leaders, who are 3 decades older than him. He became the chairman of the Democratic caucus in 2019, making him the youngest member serving leadership. When asked when he'd formally announce his bid for leader, Jeffries said Thursday, "Let's spend the day at this moment continuing to process the historic nature of Speaker Pelosi and the opportunity that we all had to serve her." Well, you didn't have any opportunity to serve Nancy Pelosi because she's over here taking all the things that you say and telling her husband, Paul, to invest in all the companies that you're talking about. So it's like, these insider trading going on. I don't really like Nancy Pelosi, so you know what? I will not miss her when she is gone. Hey, were you really going to click off this video before leaving a like and subscribing down below? Wow, so rude.